Here I have this light fixture. This is the way you'll receive it. Here we have our installation instructions and some chain wire nuts for your electrical. Here we have the base. Here we have the rod to adjust the height of the fixture. This is the way it looks outside the box. It has plenty of wire here, and you have 6 bulb sockets. So let's go ahead and get it installed. The next step is attaching the base. All you do is the same thing you did here. You attach this chain to this, run that wire through, and if you don't want the wire to be loose, you go in between the chain every 2 or 3 of them. That will hide the wire a little bit better, make it less visible, and then it's gonna come out through that hole right there. Just bracket into your box in the ceiling.